Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Abdullah Almutawa. Today I'm excited to share information about the Expo Science Asia, ESA, an international event where youth from around the world showcase their research and projects in the fields of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, also known as STEAM. The ESA provides a platform for participants aged 13 to 25 to share their innovative projects with a diverse audience, including scientists, advisors, authorities, and the general public. The event is designed to enhance science communication skills and foster international collaboration. Participants can present projects in various categories, such as biological and health sciences, pure and applied sciences, environment and ecosystems, engineering and computer science, and social and behavioral science. The goal of ESA is to encourage young minds to explore and develop their scientific talents, promote multicultural understanding, and inspire future collaborations. For more details, you can visit the website. Thank you for watching.